So in this figure, we are given that AB equals AC. Also, AD equals AB. Given this, we need to prove that angle BCD, this angle BCD, which is marked 1 and 3. 1 and 3 together make angle BCD. So we need to prove that angle BCD equals 90 degrees. Or in other words, BCD is a right angle. So see the proof here. In triangle ABC, we know that AB equals AC. So when two sides are equal, the angles opposite to them are also equal. Angle 1 is the angle opposite to AB and angle 2 is the angle opposite to AC in triangle ABC. So since AB equals AC, we have angle 1 equals angle 2. Let's call this result A. Now we are also given that AD equals AB. But AB equals AC. See here, AD is equal to AB, but AB is equal to AC. So when you compare these two results, we have a new result which says AD equals AC. So that's what I've written here. AD is equal to AB, but AB is equal to AC. So AB is common in both. So that gives a new result, AD equals AC. AD equals AC. Now where are these two line segments? In which triangle are these two line segments found, AD and AC? In triangle ACD. So now in this triangle ACD, we have two sides equal, which means the angles opposite to these equal sides will also be equal. The angle opposite to AD is angle 3. Please look in the triangle ACD, not beyond the triangle ACD. In the triangle ACD, the angle opposite to AD, this is the side AD, opposite to it is angle 3. And the angle opposite to AC is angle 4. So since AD equals AC, we have a new result, angle 3 equals angle 4 in triangle ACD. Now, use the angle sum property in a triangle. Take up the whole triangle BCD. Take up the whole triangle BCD. Now we know that the sum of the three angles of a triangle equals 180 degrees. Now which are the three angles of triangle BCD? Angle 2, angle 4 and angle 1 and 3 together make one angle. They are not two different angles in triangle BCD. 1 and 3 make one angle. Angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle 1 plus 3 equals 180. So see here, this is one angle. This is the second angle, this is the third angle. The sum of the three angles of triangle BCD equals 180. Now what is our intention? We need to show that BCD is 90 degrees. That means we have to prove 1 plus 3 equals 90 degrees. Correct? 1 plus 3 equals 90 degrees. Which means we are trying to take away these angles 2 and 4. So we are trying to we have to replace angles 2 and 4 with 1 and 3. Because we'll have to prove that 1 plus 3 is 90. Now we know that angle 2 is angle 1. See, and angle 2 equals angle 1. So in the next step, what we do is write angle 1 plus angle 3 as it is. Instead of this angle 2, say angle 1 because we know that angle 1 equals angle 2. And again, we don't want this angle 4. Instead, we want angle 3. And we know that angle 4 is equal to angle 3. So replace angle 4 with angle 3. So now here we have angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 1 plus angle 3 equals 180. Which means twice of angle 1, angle 1, angle 1, twice of angle 1, angle 3, twice of angle 3 equals 180. 2 is common. So twice of angle 1 plus 3 is equal to 180. Angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 over 2. 2 comes down for division here. 180 by 2 is 90. And what is angle 1 and angle 3 put together? Angle BCD. So this way we proved that angle BCD equals 90 degrees.